Alright, let's go through the answer for question 9. It says, a dress costs $126 more than a handbag. Charlene bought a dress and a handbag. If the dress costs $228, how much did she pay for the two items? So, we have a dress. Sorry, we have a dress. And we have a handbag. Let's draw the handbag first. Let's read the question again. It says a dress costs $126 more than a handbag. Yep. Charlene bought a dress and a handbag. If the dress costs $228, how much did she pay for the two items? Alright, so we didn't know what the handbag is, so I'm going to put a question mark here. Okay, this is what we know about the dress though. We know that a dress costs $126 more than a handbag. So, from here to here, they're the same. Okay? However, the dress costs $126 more. So, in other words, if the handbag is $40, this will be $40 plus $126 more. Okay, that's what it means. Now it says Charlene bought a dress and a handbag. We have that, dress and a handbag, that's fine. If the dress costs $228, so that means from here to here is $228. How much did she pay for the two items? Okay. So in other words, when we add these two up, how much did she pay? So we have quite a lot of question marks, but it's actually quite simple, the problem, when you think about it. Alright. If you want to find out this part, okay, because if we find out this part, we'll find out how much the handbag is. Because remember, the only difference between the dress and the handbag is the dress is this much, plus 126 more. Okay, so if we find this, then we'll find what the handbag is. So let's put here. I'm going to put dress and put a question mark. I'll do that because if I put the question mark, you might get confused with just this one. Okay, so I'll put the dress question mark so that this refers to this question mark. Is equal to, from here to here is 228. So alright, 228. Take away. From here to here is 126. And by doing that, that will give us this much. Okay? So 8 take away 6 is 2. 2 take away 2 is 0. 2 take away 1 is 1. So in other words, this is 102 and this is 102. Okay? So I'm going to cross this out and write $102. Okay? We didn't have to write this one because we found this to find the handbag because we know how much the dress is already because the problem tells us. Now let's go back and read the question, what it's asking. It says, how much did she pay for the two items? So the dress and the handbag. So I'm going to write here 2 items is equal to, the dress is 228 plus the handbag, which is $102. Okay, so if we add these two, we will get this. So the 2 items equal 8 plus 2, which is 10. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. So therefore, Charlene paid $330 for the 2 items. Okay? Now notice how I didn't label this as unit, 1 unit, and this as 1 unit. And I didn't do that because if we find out the part of the dress from here, let me just circle it. Then because these two are the same, then this will be the same, okay? Remember how I said, remember how the question said a dress costs 126 more? So this represents how much more expensive the dress is, okay? So sometimes you don't have to like if you see bars which are the same length, you don't have to label them as units because you might have enough information. And in this case, the problem gave us enough information, so we do not have to divide anything, okay? Here is the problem for the next lesson. Alright, the question is, Osman, Lisa and Xiaoling scored a total of 274 marks in a mathematics test, okay? It says Osman, where is he? Scored 86 marks. So we have how many marks he scored. Lisa scored 10 more marks than Osman. How many marks did Xiaoling score? Okay, think about the problem, draw it out, and that should help you out, okay? Good luck with that. And don't forget that problem solving is a skill. So in other words, the more you practice it, the better you become, okay? Catch you guys later.